What is a non-fungible token, NFT? Break this word into three parts like non mean none, fungible mean irreplaceable, and token mean digital ownership. So NFT call non-replaceable digital ownership. For example, I have $1 and other side Ali also have $1, so I can replace this dollar with Ali, so this is called fungible. On the other hand, if I borrow a painting of Mona Lisa from Ali and in replace I gave him any other painting, the Ali say no, this is not my Mona Lisa painting, I want my Mona Lisa painting which I gave you, so that is called non-fungible. How do you use NFTs? Number 1 is gaming, like create gaming character NFTs. Number 2 is artwork, like you can create painting NFTs of the artwork. Number 3 is digital assert, create digital assert NFTs like songs, music, etc. Examples: friendship end with Mutasir NFT sell and $49,000. People artists sell their art NFTs $69,000. Jack Dorsey sell their first tweet NFTs. Ownership right sell NFT $2.9 million. How NFTs create? Number 1, create digital assets like music, video, clip, GIF, etc. Number 2, token, adding token into the digital assert using blockchain technology. Blockchain use the cryptocurrency, so need to choose best one like Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. Token itself have attribute like token name, symbol, and hash. Number 3 is selling, like transfer the ownership of the assert using blockchain technology. Summarization: NFTs, it is a digital ownership certificate of the assert. NFTs future in future might be the it work in the property contracts and also working the bank loan and many more. Now it's an early stage, maybe your investment is boom or down. NFTs can't be divided. It maintain the all history of their owners and instant verify it. Where you can make money in NFTs, it is programmable. So make money by change ownership of assert. Some company make money by getting their percentage by changing the ownership of the NFTs in case of royalty. Subscribe channel and press the bell icon for latest video.